Everyone, welcome to LogicStack. In this video, we are going to understand what a Java stream is. This video is especially for beginners who heard the word stream but are not fully clear about what it actually means. So let's start with the basics. Now, what is a Java stream? A Java stream represents a sequence of elements from a data source like a list or set. It is mainly used to process data, not store it. Why Java stream? Before Java 8, most data processing was done using loops. As applications grew, loop-based code became harder to read and maintain. Streams were introduced to simplify data processing. We can write error-prone logic also. Now, next, stream is not a data structure. So, this is very important. A stream does not store data. It only processes data that already exists in a collection or array. Collection versus stream. Collections are about storing data. Streams are about processing data. Also, once a stream is consumed, it cannot be reused. In a stream, streams are usually created from a collection. You can see we have created an integer list called numbers starting from 1 to 5. Then we have called the stream functions over the list. So at this stage, no processing happens. The stream is only prepared. Stream pipeline. A stream works as a pipeline. Data flows from the source, goes through the processing steps, and produces a result. Lazy execution. Streams are lazy, nothing happens until a final operation is called. This helps improve performance. Non-modifying nature. So streams are never change the original collection. They create a new result instead. Single use, or we can call it a one-time use. Once a stream is consumed, it cannot be reused again. You must create a new stream each time. Benefits of stream. Streams make code easier to read and maintain. They also make it easier to write parallel code. Now what's next? In the next video, I will explore filter, map and reduce in detail with examples. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to LogicStack.